This is Cody Belair and this is my bike check. On the front we have a We the People Supreme hub laced to an Odyssey hazard light with Primo spokes, Odyssey 8-kin P-Light tire, Sunday morning 2.1 forks, United integrated headset with a stock United stem, 8.75 McNeil XLT bars, 29 inches wide, animal grips, they're nice. United Squad 20.6 frame, United Sprocket, Fly Rubin graphite pedals, stock United cranks, KMC cool chain, a Clat complex seat, S&M seat clamp, Odyssey V3 cassette hub laced to a hazard light with Odyssey spokes, and a Kenda back tire. And my bike weighs roughly 21 pounds.